Guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. But that being said, guys, huge update on Bitcoin. Before we jump into any of that though, make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, right? I talk about Bitcoin and any other crypto related stuff that I think needs attention. I definitely talk about it here on the channel, so do please smash that subscribe button at the end of the video. If you guys like the video, smash the like button. Really does help out the channel a ton, and also feel free to leave those comments, as I do try to respond to all you guys. That being said, let's jump into this article. We are looking at Forbes.com. The article reads, BlackRock reveals major Bitcoin ETF update as huge 1.6 trillion crypto price pump spurs Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Solana. So I'm going to keep talking about these ETFs, guys. It's just all in the news recently, and that's for good reason. Basically, BlackRock and a lot of other financial asset managers, right? They're trying to get these ETFs approved, essentially. BlackRock just announced their ticker of what it's going to be. I'll read that later on here in the article. Like, guys, this is definitely something that's pushing Bitcoin up. So let's just go ahead and jump into what they have to say here. So Bitcoin and major cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Solana, have rocketed higher amid expectations of a 2024 Biden bailout. So the Bitcoin price has added 40% over the last 6 months alone, pushed on by a flood of Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds applications, right? So those are those ETFs that I'm talking about, guys. And helping the combined Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and crypto market more than double to 1.6 trillion over the last 12 months, guys. Like, these ETFs are huge, I'm telling you. And then also with this upcoming election, like, it's just, there's a lot, and Bitcoin halving as well. There's a lot going on. Now as rumors swirl of a secret sovereign Bitcoin bid, BlackRock has revealed its proposed spot Bitcoin ETF will trade with the ticker IBIT if approved, and has moved to appease uncertain regulators. That is huge, guys. Them releasing the ticker that's big news there. BlackRock's latest Bitcoin spot ETF filing has revised its proposal to use the cash creation and redemption mechanisms favored by the Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, ditching the in-kind redemption model it has previously suggested. The SEC generally prefers so-called cash redemptions for ETFs, as it views them as safer for investors, while asset managers prefer the so-called in-kind, as it eases the flow of funds without them having to repeatedly buy and sell the underlying asset. BlackRock has gone cash only, Bloomberg intelligence analyst Eric Balkanis posted to X. That's basically a wrap. Debate over. In-kind will have to wait. It's all about getting ducks in a row before the holidays. Good sign. Others in the race between 13 companies to get a Bitcoin spot ETF to the market have also recently caved to the SEC's preference for cash redemptions. So everybody's just trying to get in, guys, essentially, right? And they're going to do whatever the SEC asks them in order to get these ETFs approved, basically, right? Well, not anything, but they're definitely changing some things, right? So hype around the possible approval of the long-awaited Bitcoin spot ETF has helped fuel a Bitcoin price surge that some fear could lead to a major sell-off in the new year. The biggest event in crypto for the next year continues to be the first Bitcoin spot ETF approval in the U.S., which might get concluded right in the beginning. Hatu Sheikh, founder of crypto development platform DAOmaker. This will have tremendous and far-reaching results throughout the year and for years to come. The approval itself must, however, be treated as the sell the news event. Following the stellar recovery this year, it's reasonable to expect the market to cool down. Yet the persistence of the crypto's 4-year cycle suggests a potential price increase as the year progresses. So essentially, guys, in summary, right, I should say, these ETFs are really close to getting approved. Like, BlackRock is the biggest asset manager in the world, I believe. And they've already came up with their ticker, which means they definitely have plans to get this approved, guys. They're not making these moves for no reason. And there's also 13 other companies that are trying to get approved as well. These are all huge, huge companies, guys. There's just going to be a lot of new money that flows into the market as these ETFs get approved, essentially, right? So again, it's going to be the ETF approvals. It's going to be the Bitcoin halving, and then possibly election having a huge impact on Bitcoin in the next year or so. I'm just going to continue to keep covering all the news related to this stuff, guys. So do make sure, again, you're subscribing to the channel. We're going to keep talking about it so you don't miss a thing. Do I think that Bitcoin could potentially get pushed up to $1 million because of all of this stuff? Absolutely. And I'm not the only one that feels that way, guys. But obviously, you have to do your own research. And, I'd like to hear what you guys think. Where do you guys think Bitcoin lands in the next year or so? I'd love to hear your thoughts and thesis. Just as much as I teach you guys, I love to be taught as well. But that being said, really do appreciate your time. It's Crypto Ether, and I'm out of here, guys. Peace.